Let's go, guys. This is the suite. There's an attached balcony. This is the suite. This is the vinyl flooring we installed. A little connected balcony. I'm focusing here on the final painting details. Really cool. There's a illuminated curtain recess. There's some lighting over there. And here's our client's dressing table. There's an upholstered headboard here with this mirror above it too. Really awesome. Honestly, it's so cool, right? And then turning this way, you have this panel here where the TV will go and the bed will be right here where we are. The air conditioner, we've already installed it. Look here, come on, let's go into the suite's bathroom. Guys, take a look. Do you remember what this bathroom used to look like? We changed everything here, the wall tiles, the floor, the drywall, and the ceiling lining. Take a look, check out the fixtures, guys, all from Deka. Excellent material. Honestly, it's such great material to work with, right? This is the bathroom in the suite. Now let's go into the closet, okay? It's the suite of our client. Wardrobes on this side, wardrobes on that side too. Here, this one. Look, it's actually a LED profile. It already comes ready, okay? It's a molding made of aluminum, and then we put the LED strip internally inside it. Here we're going to enter the suite of our client's son. Look at this beautiful floor, guys. This is a vinyl floor. There's a video of it there showing how we did the application, the laying, the installation, right? 10 centimeter polystyrene baseboard. That's a 10 centimeter high baseboard. Awesome. There's also an illuminated curtain recess here, a lowered plaster ceiling, central lighting, and carpentry work too. This color is really great, you remember, right? This color here is called papel picado. Okay guys, it's used throughout the apartment and it's matching really well. Check this out, the bathroom in the son's suite here at our client's place. Take a look, carpentry work, cabinet. We also changed everything in this bathroom, the ceiling, walls, floor, electrical. We did a complete renovation of this bathroom in the suite. Look how beautiful it is, right? Let's go into the hallway now. What did we do in the hallway? We painted all the walls, put in a new ceiling here, right? And also the self-leveling compound and the vinyl flooring, which you saw in the previous videos. Now take a look at our client's office, which is considered a third bedroom. His desk will go here, and this will also be his workspace. A single bed, wardrobe, air conditioning, the lowered ceiling we did, and it turned out to be an office, pretty much like a single bedroom. Check out the half bath, guys. Look at the half bath. It's so luxurious, honestly. The half bath also has a niche running all the way across here. It's really top notch. The half bath turned out amazing. Look at this. There's a mirror here with LED lighting all around. Check out the sink, guys. Take a look at this sink. It's beautiful. This is a Roca sink. Really cool, really top notch. Let's go in here now to the living room so we can see how the living room is turning out. Look at the entrance. Do you guys remember this entrance here? Look how beautiful it is. The carpentry team made a wooden ceiling and also covered that wall and the door. We made the lowered ceiling with plaster, installed the air conditioner here, the ceiling cassette unit up here, okay, and the lighting here. There's a little cove in the carpentry work. Look how cool, how beautiful, see? Awesome, right? And here, look how fancy. Besides having a full mirror here, look, on this entrance wall, you have the wine cabinet or glassware cabinet, right? There's an eco-friendly fireplace down there, and then you have a wine cabinet here, all lit up with LED strips around it, right? Look how cool. Here we have our client's living room, TV wall panel. The carpentry team finished it. Here today, this little frame around here, we have a low media cabinet over there. The client's sofa is already here. We're also going to put some boiserie on this wall here. See, it's that one you're seeing over there on that panel. The luxury I think is in this room is up on the ceiling, which is exactly the open cove lighting detail. With this warm white indirect lighting, this is going to look really luxurious at night, okay? It'll look amazing. Want to check out the balcony? For our client's balcony, we had made the recessed curtain area with a drop ceiling, right? A drop down here. The carpentry team covered it with wood. It's all papel picado, okay? The colors here on the wall, the color of the walls, right? Papel picado. Look at this nice little countertop, see? A table will go here made of stone. We'll install the chandelier later exactly above the table. Here is the barbecue area. It's really beautiful too. Very clean, right? Very calm. And finally, let's come in here now into the kitchen area. Look how cool the fridge in this space. Here you have this nice countertop. Look at this beautiful countertop, a really nice stone with these veins. Here we have the drain channel. Look how interesting this countertop is. You have a higher drain channel in the back, which is really interesting too. The cabinetry is in white. I can't recall if this is just called white or has a specific name, right, Alexandre? Branco Micro. Alexandre is telling me here from the cabinetry, look how nice it turned out, see? A little neutral white LED down there to light up this countertop. Here we also have a lot of cabinets with LED underneath. Look at this beautiful glass cabinet here. This side here, look, it's really cool, right? The oven is down there. We just installed the cooktop here. Take a look. It's an induction cooktop. Later, I'll make a final video showing you all the details. Alexandre from the carpentry is here making some adjustments to the drawer. LED channel here on the ceiling in neutral white, okay? The laundry room turned out basic, right? Sink, dishwasher here with the countertop making that corner over there, and the air conditioner's condenser ended up in that little corner, see? But it turned out really nice, right? It looks really beautiful. This apartment turned out really nice, really beautiful overall for our client. So like I told you guys, this is just a little preview showing you how it is. The apartment for our client is coming along. We did demolition, flooring, electrical, plasterwork, painting, plumbing. We changed a lot from the original apartment. We're now in the final painting stage. That's it. In about 3 or 4 more days, we'll hand this project over. It's turning out really nice, very beautiful. As soon as we finish and clean up, you know how it is, right? Every time we deliver an apartment, we always do a basic cleaning, right? We hand it over in good shape so our client can do the final cleaning, and then I'll show you that final video showing all the details of the finishes, right? From floor to ceiling, all the details for you, but for now, here's a little preview of how this apartment is turning out. Really awesome, really beautiful. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like this video. If you're used to watching our videos with tips, decorations, colors, ideas, and trends, this one right here is a project where I bring inspiration to show you some color tips, okay? I always talk about the color papel picado. I'm using it here in our client's apartment, okay? We did some tests here, they saw it, liked the color, I recommended it, and they chose papel picado. So like I said, this type of video straight from the project site is really cool for those of you who watch our videos. We give tips back at the office, but here it's hands-on, we share those tips at the office. And today, some videos like this from the construction site, really hands-on, to show you how we put those tips into practice there. I'll also show you here in real life how it's turning out, okay? Subscribe, like, and leave your comment about what you thought of this content. If you saw something interesting here that you could use in your home decor too, okay? Take care. See you in the next video.